Now the question before us is, given below are the seats won by different political parties in the polling outcome of state assembly elections. Here the political parties are given, names are given A, B, C, D, E, F, and then the seats which have been won by the parties are given. Now we have been asked to draw a bar graph to represent the polling results. Now this is the information which has been given to us in the question. That is, this is the political party, these are the names, and these are the seats won. We are to draw the bar graph. So here we draw the bar graph. Suppose we will take from here. We will draw the line. This is the x-axis. This is y-axis. Normally, the graph can be drawn either vertically or horizontally, but normally the graphs are drawn vertically, that is from x-axis to upward. And when the information which is of numerical data which can be changed is mentioned on the y-axis. So here the seats one are changing and is of numerical, that this is the numerical data. We will here mention the seats 1 in data will be mentioned here in respect of the seats 1. Here we will mention the political party. Name of the political parties will be mentioned here. Now we take all the parties one by one. First we take political party A. Now what is the value minimum and the highest and the minimum? Minimum is 10 and the highest is 75. So we will start from 10. We will draw here 10 for every cell. Two cells we take the value as having difference of 10. 10, 20, here it is 30, it is 40, it is 50, it is 60, this is 70, as the maximum seats one are 75. So here we will take the table up to 80. So now what is the political party A has won? It has won 75 seats. So it will be here. We will form the bar in respect of political party A. So this is the bar. You are to draw the straight line. So this is the number of seats won by political party A are 75. Now next is B. Please note that when we are drawing bars, there should be equal distance between the one bar and the another bar. So here the value is 55. Another point which has to be taken into consideration or to remember that the width of the bar in each case has also to be the same. Here you can see that the width of A is same, width of B is same. Likewise, the width will be same in the, when we are marking the same on the graph paper. So here we will take now the C. That is the seats won by the party C are 37. So here it will be somewhat here. Here it is 37. Now the next party is D political party. Here also the bar graph will be of equal width. It is 29 because it is less than 30. So here we have kept the line somewhat below 30. It is will be only on based on the approximation. Now the next is E political party. Here we have taken the line somewhat above. Please keep the line in straight while you are attempting the question in exam. E10. Now the next political party is F. It is 37. Here 2 point. It will be somewhat here. Okay. Here it is 37. So here we have so far formed the bar graph which represents the polling result. Bar graph repre- representing poll results. So now what is the next point in the question? Which political party won the maximum number of seats? Which political party won the maximum number of seats? From the bar graph, it is clear that political party A won the maximum number of seats. So this is the answer of second part of the question. We hope we have been able to form the bar graph which is easy to understand and you can easily conclude from the graph which party has won in the elections. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.